The ToughTested TNT Mega XL cup holder turns a standard vehicle cup holder into a stable base for oversized bottles, travel mugs, and handled tumblers so you are not juggling drinks while driving. Its expandable base twists outward to lock firmly into a wide range of factory cup holders, which keeps the whole setup from wobbling even on rough roads. The tall gooseneck arm is long enough to bring your phone, small tablet, or navigation unit up into a comfortable line of sight without blocking the windshield too much. The device clamp opens wide for larger screens, yet grips smaller phones securely, so swapping between different family devices feels straightforward and safe. Construction feels rugged and purpose-built for work trucks, road trips, and daily commuting, with materials that do not flex or creak under the weight of a full bottle and mounted device. The long manufacturer warranty adds peace of mind, suggesting the company expects this mount and cup holder combo to hold up to years of regular use.